What's up, guys? We got Bruno and we got Markin.
Yeah.
All right, I'm taking them to Salon Republic Hollywood, and we're gonna get their hair transformed.
Please.
We're gonna get them looking sharp. They need a hair makeover, so we're gonna go introduce them to our hair artists. All right, guys, we are in the lab. We made it. I'm excited about this video. We have an epic collab going on. Everybody, say your names. Let's start right here.
Bruno.
Bruno.
Nice to meet you guys.
Dre.
Bambi.
Sugar Skulls.
Markin.
All right, so we got Bruno and Markin. They're on YouTube, Instagram. They need some hair love.
Craft Team Salon Republic.
Let's see. Let's do it.
Okay, yeah. Okay, so the photo that you showed me, it was bald underneath, right?
Oh yeah. So yeah, that's what.
So let's do negative space. Do you understand what I'm saying though?
Yeah, I get it. Without like instead of being.
Because we're gonna bald it all out, so it's just
Leave
like
some hair.
leave the hairline. Like instead of cutting out the line, like the line will be the hair.
I get it.
So, alright.
Bruno, are you scared?
I am very scared. He's very professional.
You better be scared.
Crazy. Have you seen his Instagram? Oh my god, those crazy things.
All right, we're not doing any line work. We're gonna do a classic bald fade.
Okay.
Oh, class.
Not too classic. It's gonna be with our spin to it. It's so weird how like I feel like I can go on Instagram and I can just notice his work just from scrolling. Like all of us cut a little different, but we can always tell whose work it is.
So Markin is going to be like the subdued one, like the classically modern looking, and then Bruno over there is going to be like party in the back, right?
Yeah.
Now Markin, the little tips of your hair right there, they look a little frazzled.
Yeah.
What happened here, buddy? Did you experiment on your hair a little bit?
Yeah. Kinda.
Hi, baby. Hi. I'm glad you're here.
I'm so happy to be
No,
here.
you're just sitting here chilling. You're not doing anything. The boys are over there working hard. But you're going to be doing something to help them out. What are you going to do for Bruno and Markin?
I'm going to color one of them, that's for sure.
Okay.
And then I think maybe Brazilian Blowout. Or,
Oh, okay.
Yeah,
A little treatment for Markin over
yes,
there.
yes, definitely.
For his-
those ends.
Those ends that he experimented on.
Yeah,
The
yeah.
crispy ends. Yes.
I'm jaded and degraded. I'm misplaced in every way that you can think of. Downrated, intoxicated. I'm dismantled into pieces I can't move.
All right, so Bruno, Dre says he's almost done, but he's got one more thing he wants to do. One more thing.
We're gonna do an eyebrow slash, like this
Eyebrow
guy.
slash. What do you think?
On this side.
I kind of like, I'm afraid, but okay, I can trust him a little bit more.
That a boy.
Hell yeah.
That a boy. He hasn't steered you wrong yet. That's right.
Bam.
We don't have any mirrors in here, do we?
Dude, that's it.
Damn.
He's like, I don't know what I'm looking at.
Oh, it's so good.
Oh.
Woo! That's so good. All right, dude.
What are you doing, man?
Now we're just gonna tuck around the corners just to make sure all the length's good, and then I'm gonna re-go through his fade.
What are you doing to those crispy ends, bro?
Just point cutting and giving it a little bit more texture and refreshening them up just a tad.
Okay.
While still putting the shape in.
Tight.
See it. Oh yeah, Markin. Oh, thanks, man. Oh, that looks sick.
Look at this.
So good.
No, look, I'm not gonna look now.
No, look, yeah. dude, sorry.
Yeah, it looks so good.
Ooh!
Come here! Come here!
Yeah.
Looks like I got something like that. It's so nice.
Yeah.
I love it. Look at that.
Yeah.
Match my tattoo.
Martin,
Are you up for it?
he wants it.
Do it.
Yeah, do that.
I feel like it's like peer pressure, like for drugs. Like we're like, come on, you gotta do it now.
Here's on left. Let's do the other side.
Yeah, do the right side.
Oh, close your eyes.
Over your eyebrow. You guys had no idea it was gonna get this crazy today, huh?
Surprise.
Love it.
Yeah, man. All right, my buddy Carlos Sugar Skulls, he's got to take off, but we want to thank you, man, for all the work you did.
Thank you,
It looks
Donovan.
amazing, dude. Looks amazing. Where can they find you?
Sugar Skulls, every domain, just Sugar Skulls, one word. Thank you to Salon Republic, Eric, Donovan, Bruno, Markin, Bambi, Dre, Craft Team, Salon Republic, West Hollywood. Thank you guys.
All right, Bruno, you're not even done yet, right?
And I'm already so excited.
What? I mean, what else do we need to do to your hair?
Oh, guys, you guys.
We're doing it all.
Okay, so Bambi, what are you gonna do?
I'm just gonna give a little bit of like highlights, nothing too crazy, but the highlights we're aiming for your color.
Ah, really?
Yeah.
Attaboy, attaboy.
Can't you see I'm falling down? Can't you see I'm falling down again?
Oh yeah, look at that.
Check it out.
It's all done and cooked. All right, Bambi, what are you doing to his hair now?
We are toning his hair. We're just trying to make it as light and ashy as possible.
Okay, what'd you use?
I used Redken shades, 9V and 9P, equal parts.
Okay, do you like your curl? You like a little bit of wave in there? Or do you want it dead straight?
No, I like it. No wave. I like the wave.
Okay, so when you're blow drying your hair, most blow dryers have different settings, right? If you go on the highest one, it's gonna blow that hair completely straight. And if you have it on the lower setting, it may seem like it's gonna take longer to blow dry your hair, but it's gonna give you a better effect. So like the extra couple minutes that you do, it'll give you that like wave that you're looking for. Because most time I guarantee you're like out of the shower, like full blast.
Yeah.
But if you don't do that,
kinda makes
and you kind of just like massage it in there, because if you ever notice too, like if you just don't blow dry your hair and you just let it go, it kind of almost styles better. But it's not effective because when you leave the house, you want it to look dry. So when you dry it, just do a little slower, and then concentrate on just getting the scalp, your scalp dry first, and then all the heat will radiate off your head and dry the rest of the hair. Because you like a little bit messy?
Yep.
Cool. Your action.
There's the magic.
There we go.
There's the magic. That's the signature Dre twist.
Yeah, dog.
I've seen that, man. Seen that.
Save many lives.
Sick, dude.
Crushed it.
Hell yeah, man. Hell yeah. Hey, hey! We got Bruno's final look.
Yes.
We got Marquin's final look.
Love it.
Hey, man, thanks to Dre, thanks to Carlos, thanks to Bambi, thanks for you guys for coming out for
Yeah,
Bruno.
thanks guys for coming in.
Love it.
So, all right, so now, where can people find everybody? We want to make sure people, if you want to book with somebody or follow someone, let's start with you, Bambi.
Bambi hair on Instagram.
Bambi here on Instagram.
Easiest way.
Bruno, W-O-B-R-U-N-O. That's my Instagram.
W-O-B-R-U-N-O.
Yep.
Wol Bruno.
Wol Bruno,
Right on.
yeah.
Then we got
Dre hair since the beginning.
easy. One more.
It's Markin in Instagram, M-A-A-R-K-I-N.
Thanks everybody for watching.